Have a question or issue? SoFi offers several ways to get help, from AI chat to phone support, depending on your need. Welcome back to Guide with Samuel. Within the SoFi app, tap the Help or Profile icon to find support. You can often start with an AI chatbot for quick answers. For more complex issues, request to connect with a live agent via chat or phone. Phone numbers and hours are listed in the app. You can also try messaging them on social media platforms like Twitter, X, for certain types of inquiries. My crucial pro tip: use the app's chat during business hours for fastest service. The in-app chat feature during Pacific Time business hours often connects you with a human agent quicker than calling. Have your account info ready and a clear description of your issue to speed up the process. Get the help you need in the way that's most convenient for you. What's been your experience with fintech customer service compared to traditional banks? For more guides on navigating financial services, subscribe. Thanks for watching. I'm Samuel, and I'll see you in the next video.